Class 10 Mathematics, exercise 6.5. First question and second question were done in the other video. Third question you need to do it as a homework, similar like second one. Be careful while writing the notation that the two triangles are similar, then you will get the ratio of the sides and as an RTP. The third question we will be doing it as a homework. Fourth question, if I say, fourth question states that ABC is an isosceles triangle. But okay, ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle, let's see. So ABC is an isosceles triangle, right angle, let's see. If I draw a triangle, a right angle, let's see. If I take this as angle C, you can take this or this A or B, or this A or this B. It is up to you. ABC is a isosceles triangle, they are saying. Right angle, let's see. So this is a right angle, let's see. But this is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle is a triangle in which any two sides equal. This is an isosceles right triangle. So this is right angle here. That means this AB will become hypotenuse. This is the longest side of this triangle ABC. So this side won't be equal to either this or this. So these two remaining sides will be equal to each other. Because this AB will be the longest side of this right triangle and it will be in hypotenuse. The remaining two sides, this is a deduction from the given thing. The question is didn't say that AC equals to BC. Just he said that ABC is an isosceles triangle. In isosceles triangle, any two sides are equal. Out of these three sides, one of the hypotenuse is this. The hypotenuse is the longest side. The remaining two sides will be equal to each other. Isosceles triangle where angle C equals to 90 degrees. Right angle, let's see, that is given to us in our RTP. For that, what he is asking us to prove is AB square equals to 2AC square. This is our RTP. AB square equals to 2AC square. And in order to prove this, we have a triangle ABC here. And since it's a right angle triangle, I think we can apply here Pythagoras theorem. Pythagoras theorem states that in a right triangle, square of one side equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. This is a right triangle in which square of one side is AB square, sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that we can write AB square equals to BC square plus AC square. So writing that in triangle ABC from Pythagoras theorem, we can write hypotenuse square equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that it will become AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. Reason for this Pythagoras theorem. So this on further simplification will become, what do we want? AB square. That AB square we got on the left hand side. Right hand side we need to get. Right hand side what we have is 2AC square. So one of the AC square I have here, so I am writing that as it is, plus BC square I have. This BC equals to AC because ABC is an isosceles triangle. Beginning, so in place of this BC square I can write as AC square. The reason for that, triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. Isosceles triangle, so that it will become AB square equal to AC square plus A square, that will become what? 2AC square. Which is our RTP. Hence proved. This will be the second one or third one. So fourth. If we move forward, then the fifth question. Exercise 6.5, fifth question. If we see, this is the reverse of question number 4. We can see ABC is an isosceles triangle with AC equals to BC. In the question itself, they are saying the triangle ABC is an isosceles triangle. The two sides which are equal to each other are also given to us. That is given to us as what? AC equals to BC. In this question number 5, this is given. Triangle ABC. AC equals to BC also given, and Even this also given to us, AB square equals to 2AC square. And our RTP is, prove that we have to prove that triangle ABC is right triangle. In order to prove that triangle ABC is a right triangle, we need to prove that one angle of the triangle ABC is 90 degrees, then it will become a right triangle. So for that we can use converse of Pythagoras theorem, I think, because in Pythagoras theorem, in a right triangle, they only say that the triangle is right triangle, then only will apply. But in converse of Pythagoras theorem, in any triangle, square of one side equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides, then angle opposite to the first side will become a right angle. That we can apply here by using converse of Pythagoras theorem. First, I will take a triangle. I don't know which triangle it is. I have to prove this triangle as a right triangle according to the question. AB. See, if I take a triangle, I am not saying that it's a right triangle. My RTP is to prove that this triangle is a right triangle. Whatever given that, based on that, we'll move forward. In that we have AC equals to BC. This AC is equals to this BC. This side and this side are equal in this triangle, and we are also given that AB square equals to 2AC square. In proof, I'll start with the given hint. Hint for us given as AB square equals to 2AC square. So AB square equals to 2AC square. First I'll start. Then I'll modify this as AB square. 2AC square is given as, so I'll write it as 1AC square plus 1AC square, or that will become AC square plus BC square. So that what will get here, AB square equals to, but we know that BC equals to AC. So in place of this BC, I can write AC because these two sides are equal, which is given to us. If I put that here in this expression, this BC will become what? AC. I'll write this as again AC square. We get again back. That AB square equals to 2AC square, because I got it written here. I'm not getting that RTP, how to prove that again. So the problem arises because you see, this is AB square equals to 2AC square, that's fine. So you're getting it as AB square equals to AC square. So by correcting that error, what I'm getting, AB square equals to 2AC square, I'll write this as AC square plus AC square. So that what happens here, AB square equals to AC square plus one of the AC square, I'll change it as BC. This AC will, if I write it as BC, so this will become BC square. Now, if you observe this expression, what I have, you see AB square equals to AC square plus BC square. This is the triangle in which this AB square equals to this AC square plus BC square. Square of one side is equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. Square of one side of the triangle ABC equals to sum of the squares of the other two sides. So that I can apply converse of Pythagoras theorem here. From converse of Pythagoras theorem, I can say that the angle opposite to first side is right angle, so that triangle ABC will become right angle triangle, which is our RTP. If I write that here from converse of Pythagoras theorem, this will become right angle here. Pythagoras theorem, angle C equals to 90 degrees. So therefore, angle ABC is a right angle triangle or right triangle. That becomes our RTP and hence proved.